Nepremagljiv okus alpsko mleko iz ljubljanskih mlekarn.
Okay, this was a commercial, but we originally had some very great video made, but we had some technical problems, so we will have to improvise a little bit. Okay, this is the first one. When a guy drops his groceries, what he bought, so somebody else comes and picks it, so it starts to, the advertiser wants to say that we should help each other, so if we drink this milk, we will be happy and everybody will help each other. And then, now everybody wants to have this milk. You see, they're fighting for it. And with this, they start to play a game. We all know this is right. They're passing to each other. Everybody wants, actually everybody drinks it, so we can see people, I mean the guy who is old, 35, and the young one that is 20, 22. And now, even the old guy that is, I don't know, 80 years old, wants to drink it, so he will be healthy and he wants to cooperate in the game. And now everybody's racing after this guy that had the milk. But
this is all happening in our capital city,
yes,
in Ghana.
Our capital square, so we will see what happens. And now he got the milk, so he won the race. So the commercial wants to say us that if we'll drink this milk, we will be unable to be beaten. So
healthy and fast.
Yes.
And touchdown.
Yes.